will finally see the truth that hero lies in you.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, through this video, I would like to share my feelings or thoughts regarding the coronavirus environment. It is that type of a virus which doesn't see any caste, gender, age differences, or rich or poor, etc. As we all know that this virus has been started from China and now the whole world is suffering from it. It has shaken the whole world. Surprisingly, India has reached under top 10 countries for the worst situation of coronavirus. More than 1 lakh people in India and more than 5 million people all over the world has been suffering from this deadly disease. It is a very high time for us. More than 3,28,000 people have already died. GDP of India in 2020 is soon to be much more better as compared to the other countries. In India, until 2019, it was in the 5th rank, but now it has reached to the 3rd rank. The government of India has started a lockdown in order to decrease the attacking toll of the coronavirus. But many people are disobeying the rules of the government. Backward villages are still unaware as they have not got much more information regarding this virus. But as the days are passing, people are showing their awarenesses towards this disease. People should feel free to cooperate with the government.
The end of lockdown may raise a new phase of problems for the migrant workers as exploitation of laborers may significantly rise in the pocket where there is an oversupply of laborers. As we all are aware of the current situation, a lot of people have been suffering from this disease and many of them has lost their lives too. But those people who have not been suffered from this disease yet, they are dealing with their own livelihood problems. Talking about the migrated laborers, they are the daily earning wages who live their life by their daily income. Now due to lockdown, as they couldn't find any work, they tend to migrate towards their home or towards their family. Government is trying their best to help them by providing food, shelter, etc. The government has also provided transportation such as buses to carry the workers from one state to another. Government has also provided 300 plus trains and 15 more special trains for the workers and for other citizens also. But problem lies here when people started to think of their own problem rather communicating or cooperating with the government. They don't follow the rules and regulation, nor they cooperate. Today also we can see so many people walking barefoot migrated from one place to another. Due to this, the situation becomes harmful and due to this road accidents also taken place.
आज इस महामारी बीमारी में हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा उठाए गए इस सख्त कदम जैसे लॉकडाउन को आप समर्थन देते होंगे और जो समर्थन नहीं देते हैं, मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि आप क्यों नहीं देते, खास करके उन बिजनेसमैन का जिनका बुरा हालत हो रखा है। लेकिन क्या आपने एक बार भी सोचा कि हम बच्चों पर इसका क्या असर पड़ेगा आपके एक गलती से जो आप ये लॉकडाउन को ना पालन करके? आइए, अगर हम सरकार और डॉक्टर द्वारा दिए गए उन नियमों का पालन करते तो शायद हमारे देश का इतना बुरा हालत नहीं होता। मैं अपने भारत के कुछ राज्यों का उदाहरण देना चाहता हूँ, जैसे कि गोवा, जहाँ पहले कोरोना के मरीज मिले थे लेकिन अब एक भी नहीं है कुछ समय से। दूसरी ओर महाराष्ट्र, जहाँ अभी कोरोना के मरीज बढ़ते जा रहे हैं और वो अकेला देश के कुल मरीजों की संख्या में 1/3 भागीदारी बन के बैठा है। आइए मैं अपने राज्य असम की बात करता हूँ। हमारे राज्य असम के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री डॉक्टर हिमंत बिश्व शर्मा का मुझे गर्व है। उनके द्वारा दिए गए हम नियमों को पालन कर रहे हैं, इसलिए आज हमारे राज्य में सिचुएशन हैंडल पे है। भले ही हमारे राज्य में आज कोरोना के मरीज ज़्यादा हैं, लेकिन हमारे राज्य में मरने की संख्या कम है और ठीक होने की संख्या ज़्यादा है।
We all are aware about the current situation. One thing I've realized that Corona has proved everything around us is so temporary. Things, our lives revolved around gym, work, movies, etc. etc. Society have all gone for a toss. We are learning to live without them. It has taught us that in the end, it is our own home and family that keeps us safe. I know we all want to go out. I believe that everything happens for a reason, good or bad, positive or negative, and eventually all things falls into place. Till then, laugh at the confusion, live for the moments, and know everything happens for a reason, and surely something better will come.
24 मार्च से लेकर अभी तक पूरे देश में लॉकडाउन है। कुछ लोग हैं जो इसे मान रहे हैं तो कुछ लोग इसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं मान रहे। मुझे समझ में नहीं आता उन लोगों के बारे में जो इस लॉकडाउन के नियमों का पालन नहीं कर रहे। इससे खुद की नुकसान तो होगी, साथ में साथ पूरे देश का भी नुकसान होगा। और कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो डॉक्टर और पुलिस कर्मियों के ऊपर हमला कर रहे हैं। इससे होगा क्या? इससे इस महामारी का हल तो नहीं आ जाएगा, बल्कि पूरे देश में नफरत आ जाएगी। उन पर हमला ना करने के बजाय आप अगर इन लॉकडाउन के नियमों का पालन करें ताकि आप और पूरा देश सुरक्षित रह सके।
How can I forget to thank all the Corona warriors? Thank you so much for fight against the virus. You are risking your own life to save others, leaving your own families and working endlessly. I really hope that the virus would be gone soon so that you guys can rest. I pray that you all will be reunited with your families. You all are the true heroes of our nation.